In Weston, where historic homes and modern residences blend seamlessly into a beautiful New England landscape, homeowners know the importance of keeping their living spaces comfortable throughout the year. From cold Massachusetts winters to warm, humid summers, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures can be challenging and often expensive. One home improvement project that can make a surprisingly big difference is quality door installation. A properly installed door does far more than improve curb appeal. It can significantly enhance your home's energy efficiency, reduce monthly utility costs, and create a more comfortable environment for your family. Here's how quality door installation leads directly to energy savings for Weston homeowners. Proper sealing prevents drafts and heat loss. A door that is poorly installed, or simply outdated, often has small gaps around the edges where air can freely flow in and out. Even tiny openings can cause major heat loss during Weston's frigid winters. These gaps force your heating system to run longer and harder, increasing energy consumption and raising your monthly bills. Quality door installation ensures tight, even sealing around all sides of the door, properly installed weatherstripping, a snug fit between the door slab and the frame, no hidden gaps where cold air can seep through. The result is a noticeable reduction in drafts and a more stable indoor temperature, no matter how cold it gets outside. Energy-efficient doors perform at their best when installed properly. Modern doors are designed with advanced energy-saving features, including insulated cores, multi-layer construction, thermally improved frames, low-E glass options for doors with windows. But even the most efficient door won't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. A quality installation ensures that the door sits evenly in the frame, opens and closes smoothly, and fully leverages its built-in insulating technology. For homeowners in Weston, especially those with older properties, proper installation is key to getting the full benefit of today's energy-efficient designs. Reduces strain on heating and cooling systems. When air leaks are eliminated and insulation is improved, your HVAC system experiences less strain. Rather than constantly compensating for outdoor temperatures entering your home, it can maintain your desired temperature with minimal effort. This leads to lower heating bills in winter, reduced cooling costs in summer, less wear on HVAC equipment, longer system lifespan. In a town where winters can be harsh and summers humid, these savings are extremely valuable. Creates a more comfortable living environment. Energy savings are important, but so is comfort. Weston homeowners often notice an immediate improvement in their indoor environment after upgrading their doors with professional installation. Benefits include fewer cold spots near entry areas, a more consistent temperature from room to room, less noise traveling through poorly sealed doors, better humidity control. This makes your home feel warmer in winter, cooler in summer, and more enjoyable every day of the year. Prevents moisture problems that can lead to energy loss. Moisture infiltration is a common issue in homes with improperly installed doors. When moisture seeps into the frame or threshold area, it can cause wood rot, frame warping, reduced insulation damage that compromises energy efficiency. Quality installation includes proper flashing, sealing, and anchoring to keep moisture out, preserving your home's structure and its energy performance. A smart investment for long-term savings. For Weston homeowners, investing in a professionally installed entry, patio, or storm door provides a measurable return. Over time, energy savings often offset much of the initial installation cost. Plus, buyers appreciate homes with modern efficiency upgrades, adding value should you ever decide to sell. When done correctly, a new door is a long-lasting improvement that benefits your comfort, your wallet, and your home's overall efficiency. Final thoughts. In Weston's variable climate, quality door installation is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a meaningful way to reduce energy costs and maintain a comfortable home year-round. By ensuring proper sealing, maximizing insulation, and preventing air leaks, professional installation delivers immediate and long-term benefits that every homeowner can appreciate. If you're looking for a smart, impactful home improvement project, upgrading your door with expert installation is one of the best steps you can take.